Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to my channel. I have a couple of things for you today. I did want to tell you I did take Camille to the vet for her first round of shots. Normally you would do that when they're about 6 weeks old, but she was sick when the owners brought her in. They said she was 7 weeks old, even though she appeared a little bit younger than that to me. So if that's the case, then Saturday she will be about 9 weeks old. So just, basing it on when they came in 2 weeks ago. So she did have her 6-week shots. So she's doing well. The doctor said she looks great. I was worried about her eyes because I never saw her irises. She had conjunctivitis, so her eyes had all the crusty stuff, and that went away very quickly. The medicine really helped her on that. And but her iris, I couldn't see it. And most kittens, I think all kittens, have blue eyes when they're babies, but blue-eyed cats that are going to remain blue-eyed have a lighter blue, and I couldn't see any iris anywhere. And then yesterday morning, was it yesterday morning? I saw just a light little ring of light blue. And then when I picked her up at the vet, it's very bright in there like a hospital. And her eyes were the most gorgeous blue, the most gorgeous sea, like the Bahamas water blue. I must keep my house dimly lit, might be the best way. Dimly lit. When I'm gone all day, I just have the sun out. I don't have any lights on. And then I don't like harsh light. So I do have lamps, so I have like warm light. So her eyes just haven't shown themselves to me. Anyway, got a few things I'm going on. I did get a package from Fab Fit Fun. Let me see, I don't know why. I can't remember why. I'm trying to think about it. I got a discount. They gave me $15. And I really don't remember why. I'd have to go back and look at my videos. So something happened. I don't remember anything happening with my Fab Fit Fun box, summer box, so I don't know. Anyway, they gave me $15 for something. So the way that they do that sometimes is they say you have to spend it in a particular sale. So the sale that they had me spend it in, maybe the editor sale, I don't remember. Anyway, so I bought a mystery bundle so that I can do a mystery bundle battle again with Johanna. So the reason I'm not buying the mystery bundles is they are $39. They were $29. And I even was having a struggle buying that every month. So $39 is a little steep for me. So with the $15 off though, I'm like, okay, I'll buy it. So, but now, used to be, you'd have to spend $29 and you would get free shipping. Now you have to spend $40, I think it is. It's not $39 because I had to buy something else to get free shipping. And I was gonna have to pay, I think it was $5.99 or $6.99 shipping for the mystery bundle. So, and that did not include the $15 off. So I bought something else. So that's what I'm trying to get at. I'm not gonna show you the mystery bundle. It was big, y'all. So I put it in that closet. It wouldn't fit in my drawers down there. So I added something on. So this is what I added on. Good old sponge gel. Love sponge gel. And sponge gels have gone up. And they're charging like $7 a sponge gel now, y'all. Ipsy still has, maybe you might see one or two on there for $5. So I didn't really need any sponge gel, but I thought, well, I'll add it on to give me enough for the free shipping. So this was $11 because it's a box of 2. This is a duo, 30 plus washes. It's in Berry Glaze, which is a new scent for me. I did pull this tab to get it started open, but I want you to see their packaging is always so beautiful. I mean, really, you could just put a bow on this and give it as a gift. So it smells good. I can smell it already. Berry Glaze. I thought it would be nice that sounds like a nice scent for summer. And, oh, I don't want to, okay. The thing about when they're the boxed set, they're round and they're really thick, a little too thick for me. It smells fabulous. It smells, I can smell grapefruit. I can smell berry. Let's see what it says. It does have the notes on here. Sometimes it doesn't always have the notes. It has the top notes is red berries, then there's pear blossom in the middle, and then fruit leather on the bottom is what it says. So, you know, if you don't know what a spongelle is, then you probably haven't been watching me very long, but spongelle has changed my life. Love it, love it, love it. You can see it's a sponge, and it is hard, although this, you know, it's got, this one's a little soft, a little on the softer side. It's infused with your body wash. It's already infused. So you scrub your body with this, and it buffs your skin so wonderfully. I said in a recent video that my elbows are no longer, you know, have any problems because I scrub my elbows with my spongelle. Love it, love it, love it. And this smells so wonderful for summer. Oh, this might be something good to save till winter when you want to, you know, when you're reminiscing and missing summer. So I got that. And then I also got a box from Nosherie. And I also got friend mail from, Laura the Bargain Hunter. And I was not expecting this at all. It just popped up on my door. I did cut it open. This is a flat rate envelope, and I did cut it open. And I have not looked inside, so I want to see, I want to see, I want to see. And when I open it up, okay, it says, oh, Laura, she's gonna make me cry. Okay, this, she used a Walmart beauty box, and all right, let me show it to you. Let me show it to you. She scratched out, I can't even speak because I'm befuddled. Laura, okay, Walmart beauty box. She scratched out Walmart and put Macy's, and then she put Macy's, and instead of the beauty box for spring, she put May 2023. The Macy's beauty box for May. I've been getting the Macy's beauty box for a few months, and when it came to May, they charge you like usually the first of the month, but they charged me like the last day of the month in April. And I told y'all my credit card had got compromised. So all I did was get an email from Macy's saying that my card did not work. And it said that you got to fix your account. So I go in to fix my account, put a new card in there, and it wouldn't let me pay for May. So I called them, and they said, oh yeah, you'll get May. And they, you know, took my new credit card information, whatever. And no, I had to call back a couple of times, and no, I'm not getting May. I never got May. It was going to start again with June. So I got a little mad at Macy's, and I canceled my subscription. So I wanted the May subscription, the box, because it was Sunday Rally takeover. So let's open this and see what Laura sent me. Laura. So Laura wanted the Sunday Riley takeover box. So she ordered and got, maybe, let's see what it says. She ordered it, but I don't remember now. I'm so, all right, hang on. She wrote me a note. Dear Mary Catherine loves cats. Oh, she wrote it like she's the Macy's box, okay. A friend of yours contacted us because you didn't receive the May Sunday Rally Takeover box. We apologize for this oversight. Being a large company, we regretfully have poor customer service skills. Yes, this is true. We originally planned on sending you a message acknowledging that we received your email and not addressing your concerns at all, which is our standard procedure. However, since your friend asked so nicely, we are sending you the contents of the May box. As you can see, the samples are so small that you will be lucky to get 2 or 3 uses out of them at best. We wrap them in tissue paper and print the information card on nice cardstock to make it appear that you are getting a better value than you really are. We hope you enjoy this. We also included a few other items as a bonus. Thank you for being a valued Macy's customer. Sincerely, Macy's Beauty Box, unreliable and not at all helpful customer service team. Laura, thank you so much, Laura. Oh my goodness. So she did use the Macy's tissue, I think. I don't know. Maybe that's the Walmart tissue. Oh my goodness. So let's see what's in here. Okay. This is cracking me up. So this is the card, I think, that came with the Macy's box. It looks like it's a Sunday Riley, and it's tells you about the good genes. It tells you about some things on the back, some of the different things. So let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness, y'all. Now I'm sure y'all have, oh my goodness, I'm sure y'all have seen the Macy's box, because I did see a few people get it, and then I was like, I wasn't so sad about it, because look at this. Now, granted, Sunday Riley is expensive, but these are the samples that we got. I mean, that if you got the Macy's box, this is what you got. This little, can you see that fits in one hand? I had a few people say that, but thank you, Laura, so much. I love Sunday Riley. I really do. One of my favorite things from Sunday Riley is the CEO line. I haven't had much of it, but I had a whole jar of it. I think I got it either in Fab Fit Fun or I got it in Test Tube Beauty. I don't remember now, but it's long since gone. I used it and I loved it. So this is the CEO. You know, really, this is so tiny, y'all, that I have to get my magnifying glass to read it. Brightening, this is the 15% vitamin C brightening serum. So you see, you know, it's a deluxe sample is what they call it. And I'm sure these are all, oh, it's not sealed, but there it is. It's nice and creamy. And I will, it's true, I won't get much use out of it, but you can see that it's been sitting outside. There's only this much in there. Laura, you're so funny. You should have kept it and tried it yourself. But I love it. See, it has a little bit of a vitamin C scent, of a orange scent. I love it. And I've also had this before in this size, the high dose retinol serum A+ Sunday Riley. The autocorrect, I'm not sure what that is. The autocorrect, I don't think I've ever had this one before. This is a cream contour. Cream contour. So I don't really, brightening, I'm reading the French side. Brightening and depuffing. Eye contour, okay. Well, I'll be happy to try that. Now, this is something that might last a little while because you don't need a lot of eye stuff. And then the good genes. Again, reading this is the lactic acid treatment. And this cute little thing, look how cute this is. We're gonna take the seal off and take a look at it. This is the Afterglow, the Sunday Riley CEO Afterglow. Look how cute that is. I love little containers like this. I'm like Cece that way. Yeah, I just recently had some of this. I had it in a little tub, but I think the little tub was a little bit bigger than this. Maybe I got it in one of my advent calendars, or I had the 2 advent calendars, but from Macy's, actually, from Laura, the Bargain Hunter, and Cece Straw Size Life. I'll put them both in the description. This stuff is wonderful. It smells very earthy, and it's a wonderful cream, vitamin C cream. Laura, you're so fantastic. I was going to show you the Nosherie, but I don't have time for that. That'll be somewhere else, because she sent me more stuff. She sent me a Ziploc of some things. Oh, I'm excited because I love face masks, y'all. That is one of my favorite things to do. So we have the Creme Shop Retinol Infused Essence Mask. I've had this one before, love it. Anything by the Creme Shop is a very, very lovely mask. Love that one. And then this one is a Fusion Sheet Mask. This is the vitamin C and the hyaluronic acid. So this is very good for my old age skin. Same with this one with the retinol. And then I'm excited to get this because I often want to try, but I've never tried. I don't think I've ever, well, I won't say never. It's possible that maybe in friend mail I've received it, but I have never bought a Sephora sheet mask. I don't have a Sephora by me. I am a quote unquote member online. And sometimes when I'm perusing things, I think, oh, I need a sheet mask, but they do charge a lot for these, y'all. So I'm excited to try this. Thank you, Laura. I'll be doing these maybe, I'm not sure if I'll do them all in future Mask Mondays, but maybe this one because it's new to me. But I will, let you know when I use Laura's masks. And then she also sent me a product by Grown Alchemist. I love Grown Alchemist. This is the Age Repair Gel Mask. Okay, now I don't know. I know I've seen this one, but I don't know enough about it. I'm gonna have to read it. Let's see. Their containers are wonderful. It's tin. And then usually, oh no, this is different. Usually, I'm thinking I recently had this too, but usually you have to pierce the tin with the lid, but not this one. This is, let's see what this is about. Okay, it's a little bit different looking. So it's a gel. Oh, it smells, what does it smell like? It's strong. It is, let me see. It's a gel. Let me see what it says, because being that it smells, you never know what's going on around here. I don't know what it is. This lightweight peptide-rich gel mask is highly effective in combating signs of aging and increasing hydration levels and skin elasticity while firming and nourishing facial skin. Formulated with gentle cooling actives, it's very, very cool on my hands. I put it on the back of my hands. It feels like I have my hands in ice. Feels wonderful. So this is wonderful for summer. You come home and it's hot out and you can just put this on. But I wanted to see how to, the mask is perfect for sensitive facial skin. There's pomegranate, blah, 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 all the ingredients. Being that it's a mask, some masks you leave on like overnight, and some masks you have to wash off. That's what I'm looking for, is what do I do? Because I don't see, oh, here it is in a different language. So let's see on the English where it is at the bottom. Anyway, I'm gonna have to figure that out because I don't see it. It says something about 15 minutes over here, but it doesn't, 10 to 15 minutes. That's in a different language, instructions. All right, I'll figure it out, and if I have to leave it on, directions for use. Apply a generous amount to clean facial skin, including the eye contour. Allow active ingredients to absorb into facial skin for 10 to 15 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Interesting. Well, it's very strong. The scent is very strong. So it's probably something you wouldn't want to sleep with, but I love that it's a metal tin, and then it has this, so you can get it out easy. So Laura, thank you so much. You'll have to tell me where you got this from, because I'm thinking I recently got this also, but I don't remember. So let me show you again. I got these beautiful masks, and I got this. All right, here's a Ziploc bag so you can see. This is so funny. Laura, you're so funny, and thank you so much. You remind me of our dear friend Buffy. So there are 5 little things. Here it is. I'm excited because I'm going to start using these. There they are, how tiny they are, but I love them. I love them, love them, love them. Thank you, Laura, for sharing that with me, because I know she wanted it for herself. See, true love. True love. When people love you, they do things like that for you. Thank you, Laura. I love you so much. I love you, and I'm not going to show you the Nosherie. I do know that the name of, we've said it so many ways. I've said it Nosherie. I've said it so, I'm saying it wrong. I'm still saying it wrong. The guy on Instagram told us how to say it. It's Nosherie. It's not Nosherie. It's Nosh. There's a Yiddish word where you nosh, and I knew that word. You nosh is where you eat, you nosh on things. And so it's Nosherie. And I will maybe show it in a different video, or maybe Mask Monday or something. Okay, y'all, so thanks for stopping by and seeing this fun friend mail. I love that. I love that, Laura. That is so funny. That is so funny, y'all. And also my fabulous sponge gel. Y'all take care. Count your blessings. Good to see you, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye. Love you, Laura and Cece.